Article 1 from the Part 1 of our Indian Constitution describes India, that is Bharat, as a union of state rather than a federation of state. So what information do we derive out of this provision? So let's take a step back and read the article once again to understand it much better. So Article 1, as said, describes India, that is Bharat, as a union of states rather than a federation of states. So from the very first statement, we see that Article 1 is trying to describe the name of a country, that is India, also known as Bharat. You see, from times immemorial, our country had several different names like Indica, India, Bharat, Aryavarta, Bharatvarsh, Hindustan, etc. So in order to come out of the chaos of the multitudes of names, our Constituent Assembly decided to zero in on both the names, that is India and Bharat, as an amalgamation between the modern and the past. Now, if we look at the second part of this article, we see that our country is described as a union of states rather than federations of states. So in order to understand this provision more clearly, we need to understand the difference between a federation and a union. See, a federation is the result of coming together of smaller principalities, provinces or states to form a larger unit, but by virtue of a mutual agreement. On the other hand, an union is a result of the coming together of states or smaller principalities or provinces to form a larger unit, but not by any mutual agreement. Hence, the states just cannot cede from the country as a whole on its own will. And if we look at the third part of this provision, then we get to know about the territorial integrity of our nation. That means what should constitute the territory of India. So we see that it's the territory of states, the territory of the union territories, and the territories that may be acquired by our country in future. So that was it about the Article 1. The Article 1 has three provisions. One is the name of the states, second the type of polity, and third is the territorial integrity of our nation. So I hope that you liked my version of explanation of the Article 1 to you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day.